Hi brother, this is Shay. This video is about 2 instant habits that you can use to ease performance anxiety. If you like the content that I share in these videos, then please remember to subscribe. I put new content up each week to answer the questions that you have around performance anxiety and erection problems. So, what are these 2 habits to ease performance anxiety? Let's say you're in the moment or even before a moment of intimacy and you notice that feeling, the thoughts starting to come in, the intrusive thoughts that question, what if I can't stay hard? What if I can't give pleasure to my partner? So what are different habits that we can use to calm that? The first one I talk about often is something called box breathing. And in short, you can look at this on Google as well. It's a technique that I learned from the US Navy SEALs. I wasn't in the Navy SEALs, but it's a technique that came from them. And imagine a box, so breathing in for a count of 4, holding it for a count of 4, breathing out for a count of 4, and then holding for a count of 4. So it's kind of like going, it should be called square breathing maybe. But anyway, so that's the first one. This instantly helps to calm the nervous system. So box breathing, doing this whenever you notice that sensation of tightness or panic, the questions starting to come in. That's the time to start using that. The second one is a question that we can ask ourselves in the moment. Now, usually when we are experiencing these feelings of anxiety, our body has gone into a fear state. And what does that mean? It means that we feel unsafe. There's something that is going on about the situation that's making us feel unsafe. Perhaps we're pushing ourselves a bit too much. We're trying to do something that our body is alerting us to say it feels uncomfortable. So here is a question that I found to be really helpful that we can quickly use in those moments, and it's asking ourselves, what do I need right now to feel safe? What do I need right now to feel safe? This may sound very basic and very simple, but what we often do is ignore or try and block or push away the thoughts. We don't listen to what our body's trying to tell us. So by doing this counterintuitive thing and actually asking, what do I need right now to feel safe? And then listening to the answer, that can be something that instantly changes it like that. And you may hear something like, to take my time, to communicate with my partner. There'll be some form of wisdom that comes through there. So just to try that one out over the next week or so to see how that goes. Now, these 2 tips, the box breathing and the question, of course, these are not going to be the thing that solves performance anxiety or erection problems as much as we want there to be just one thing that gets it sorted. But if you are feeling ready to actually, feel normal again and start having the type of sex that you want, giving the type of pleasure to your partner that you want to, then I invite you to a performance anxiety masterclass that I'm putting on. And in this masterclass, is free. I'll guide you through the tools and strategies that I've learned that have been the most effective for me to be able to feel normal again and to be calm and present during sex. So if that sounds good to you, then below in the comments, you'll see the link to the Performance Anxiety Masterclass. Click on that link, it will take you straight to the page that will tell you more information about the masterclass so that you can register your interest. I look forward to seeing you there.